My dear children, good morning, Monica. Now I give to the last class the horizontal projectile motion, some understanding questions and related some concept related problems. And we are going to some most important application in a horizontal projectile motion. Yes, most important application in horizontal projectile motion. If two bodies are projected horizontally, with velocities u1 and u2, that means velocities are different in mutually opposite directions. From top of the tower or top of the building, top of the cliff, if any, a bomb at rest explodes. A bomb at rest explodes into two fragments or two pieces. At a height edge, that means top of the height or top of the building, top of the cliff, and moves horizontally in opposite directions with velocities u1 and u2 respectively. And the second statement, according to law of conservation of linear momentum. Before explosion, the total momentum is equal to after explosion total momentum. That means, suppose this is a bomb at rest initial momentum 0. At the initial momentum 0. Momentum means mass into linear velocity. The product of mass and linear velocity is called momentum. Next chapter, Newton laws of motion lo discuss chestam. And initial momentum, a bomb at rest, initial momentum will be 0. It break out into two pieces, the one piece and the another piece. This mass m1 and this mass m2, and goes to velocity v1 and velocity v2. That means the final momentum, mass into velocity, m1 v1 plus mass into velocity m2 v2. According to law of conservation of linear momentum, దీన్ని మనం న్యూటన్ లాస్ ఆఫ్ మోషన్ లో మళ్ళీ స్టడీ చేసుకుంటాం. అంటే బిఫోర్ మొమెంటం ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఆఫ్టర్ మొమెంటం. బిఫోర్ మొమెంటం 0 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఆఫ్టర్ మొమెంటం m1 v1 plus m2 v2. that means m1 v1 is equal to minus m2 v2. అంటే that means the two pieces are set to be opposite direction. అంటే ఏదైనా ఒక బాంబ్ అనేది మనకి ఎక్స్ప్లోజ్ అయింది అనుకోండి, ఎక్స్ప్లోజ్ అయితే ఆ పీసెస్ ఎలా ట్రావెల్ చేస్తాయి, మనకి ఇప్పుడు కూడా ఆపోజిట్ గా ట్రావెల్ చేస్తాయి. అంటే మాగ్నిట్యూడ్ ఈక్వల్ బట్ ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్. అంటే రెండింటి యొక్క పీసెస్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా అంటే మాగ్నిట్యూడ్ లో సేమ్ గా ఉంటాయి అన్న, కానీ ఎలా ట్రావెల్ చేస్తాయి, రెండు కూడా ఆపోజిట్ గా ట్రావెల్ చేస్తాయి. అంటే ఇప్పుడు రెండింటికి సేమ్ కాన్సెప్ట్. అంటే ఏం చెప్పుకున్నాం, టూ బాడీస్ ఆర్ ప్రొజెక్టెడ్ with velocities u1 and u2 in mutually opposite directions from the top of the tower or from the top of the building or top of the cliff, if any. A bomb at rest explodes into two fragments at a height h and moves horizontally in opposite direction with velocities u1 and u2 respectively. ఇప్పుడు అప్లికేషన్ లో మనం 4 situations మనం ఇప్పుడు స్టడీ చేస్తాం. అండ్ ద ఫస్ట్ సిచువేషన్, ద టైం ఆఫ్టర్ విచ్ వెలాసిటీ వెక్టర్స్ ఆర్ perpendicular. The time after which velocity vectors are perpendicular. Let us see the diagram. This is the tower at a height h, and this is the grounding. When two bodies are projected horizontally with a velocity u1 and u2, when the first body will goes to horizontally with the velocity u1, and second body opposite direction, and second body will goes to horizontally with the velocity u2 in opposite directions. If two bodies horizontally projected with the velocities u1 and u2 in opposite directions. For opposite direction travel cheyadam valla identika horizontal projectile motion. Ikkada em cheptunnamo, the path of the trajectory is a parabola. When the first body, the trajectory is a parabola, and the second body trajectory also parabola. But the time after which velocity vectors are perpendicular. For suppose after a time t, when the first body reaches this point, this coordinates x1 comma y1, and this is the horizontal displacement, and this is the vertical displacement, and velocity vector at the instantaneous velocity, the tangent v1, the first case, resulting to two rectangular components. One is the horizontal component and another one vertical component. At the same time, second body will goes to reaches this point. This coordinates x2 comma y2. This horizontal distance x2, vertical distance y2. Horizontal displacement x2 and vertical displacement y2. And the instantaneous velocity vector v2 is resolved into two components. One is the horizontal velocity component vx2 and vertical component vy2, and vertical component vy2. We have discussed about horizontal projectile motion. Vx is equal to ux is equal to u. Vx is equal to ux is equal to u. Horizontal component of velocity remains constant. There is no horizontal motion. And vy is equal to gt. Vy is equal to gt. And horizontal displacement x is equal to horizontal component of velocity into time of flight, x is equal to ut, and vertical displacement y is equal to r square. ఈ రిలేషన్స్ ఆల్రెడీ మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం. ఎక్కడ మనం హారిజాంటల్ ప్రొజెక్టైల్ మోషన్ లో డిస్కస్ చేసాం. హారిజాంటల్ కాంపోనెంట్ ఆఫ్ వెలాసిటీ ఆఫ్టర్ ఏ టైం t, vx is equal to ux is equal to u. Velocity component in y direction, vy is equal to gt. Horizontal displacement after a time t, x is equal to ut. Vertical displacement after a time t, y is equal to r square. But question the time after which velocity vectors are perpendicular. At the time after, and e velocity vector and v1 and v2 are perpendicular. They extending the two vectors. This is the perpendicular 90 degrees. This is the 90 degrees. And the velocity v1 and v2 vectors are extend chesam. Two vectors extend cheste ee point over the rendu kuda perpendicular. The time after which velocity vectors are perpendicular. If the two vectors are perpendicular, for suppose a1 and b1 are the two vectors. These two vectors are perpendicular. Then the according to vectors, the dot product of two vectors is 0. The dot product of two vectors is 0. The dot product of two vectors is 0. And in this case, the velocity vectors v1 bar and v2 bar, v1 bar and v2 bar are mutually perpendicular, and the dot product of v1 and v2 bar is equal to 0. First of all, we discuss about v1 and v2, and the motion. This is the positive x-axis, negative x axis, positive y axis, negative y axis. Positive x axis along unit vector I cap, positive y axis along unit vector j cap, negative axis along unit vector minus I cap, negative y axis along unit vector minus I cap. According to vector coordinate system. According to vector coordinate system, along the positive x unit vector I cap, along positive y x along unit vector j cap, along negative x minus I cap, along negative y axis minus j cap. And v1 bar component vx1 into I cap, vx1 into I cap. And v1 into the downward v1 into minus j cap, that means minus v1 j cap dot. And v2 to vx2 along negative axis, the vx2 into minus I cap, minus vx2 I cap. And v2 in the downward direction, v2 into minus I cap, minus v2 into j cap is equal to 0. But the vx value u, vy value gt, the substituting the two values, substituting the values, the vx1 u1 I cap, vy1 minus gt j cap dot vx2 means u2 minus u2 I cap minus gt j cap. According to dot product, the same unit vectors of dot product always 1. That means I dot I 1, j dot j 1. Remaining dot products I dot j 0, j dot I 0. That means the coefficient of i's, this I coefficient u1 and I coefficient minus u2, the multiplication minus u1 u2, and j dot j 1 minus gt minus gt plus g square t square is equal to 0. And this equation we can write u1 u2 is equal to g square t square. T square is equal to u1 u2 by g square. And t is equal to under root u1 u2 by g. The time after velocity vectors are perpendicular, and the time is equals to t is equal to under root u1 u2 by g. The time after which velocity vector, that means tv is equal to under root u1 u2 by g. For suppose if the two projected velocities are equal, if u1 is equal to u2, suppose if u1 is equal to u2 is equal to u into u square under root t is equal to u by g. T is equal to u by g. This is the time after which velocity vectors are perpendicular. Time is equal to under root u1 u2 by g. And next one, distance between two bodies and their velocity vectors are perpendicular. The time after the distance between the separation means x1 plus x2. This is the total separation. Distance between the two bodies when after a time t, అంటే కొంత టైం తర్వాత వారెన్నిటి మధ్య డిస్టెన్స్ అడిగాడు. అంటే ఏమవుతుంది డయాగ్రామ్ పరంగా x1 plus x2. ఇప్పుడు ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నాం? x1 plus x2 ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. The total distance x is equal to x1 plus x2. X means horizontal displacement. X means horizontal displacement. X is equal to x1 plus x2. But x is equal to horizontal displacement, velocity to time. That means the first body u1 into t and second body u2 into t. అంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి ఎంత టైం పడుతుందో ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి కూడా అంతే టైం మనం రీచ్ అవుతుంది. అదేనా యూనిట్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఏమవుతుంది u1 plus u2 into t. But t ఏమొచ్చింది root u1 u2 by g. And the distance between two bodies when their velocity vectors are perpendicular is x is equal to u1 plus u2 into t, or x is equal to u1 plus u2 into under root the point of projection and striking this point, this position vector S1, and second body, this position vector S2, S1 and S2. Time after which their displacement of position vectors are perpendicular. That means S1 and S2 are mutually perpendicular. When the two vectors are mutually perpendicular, when the dot product always 0. That means S1 bar dot S2 bar is equal to 0. But S bar means xi plus yj. X means horizontal displacement, y means vertical displacement. That means S1 horizontal displacement along constant axis. That means x1 into I cap. x1 into I cap. And y1 vertically downward minus j cap. Dot x2 left hand side. This is the suppose W is the reference point or origin. Origin of the x2 manaki minus I cap. Minus the y2 in the downward direction. y2 j cap. y2 j cap. So the same unit vectors of dot product is 0. That means x1 dot I dot a1. That means minus x1 x2. J dot j1. That will be plus y1 y2 equal to 0. That means x1 x2 is equal to y1 y2. x1 means u1t, y2 means u2t, y1 of g1 square, y2 of g2 square. The cancellation terms t square. u1 u2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 g into g square into t square. T square is equal to 4 u1 u2 by g square. 4 u1 u2 by g square. T is equal to 2 root u1 u2 by g. 2 root u1 u2 by. This is the time after which their displacement vectors or position vectors are perpendicular is Ts is equal to 2 root u1 u2 by g. అంటే ఇక్కడ వెలాసిటీ వెక్టర్స్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ గా ఉంటుందండి కన్నా టైం ఆఫ్టర్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ వెక్టర్స్ ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ ఉంటుంది 2 టైమ్స్. అంటే Ts is equal to 2 into t. Ts is equal to 2 into t. And as a fourth one, distance between two bodies when the position vectors are perpendicular. That means x1 plus x2. Same. X is equal to u1 plus u2 into t. That means 2 into u1 plus u2 under root u1 u2 by g. Under root u1 u2 by g. These are the four important points on this according to application. When ఎప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ తీసుకుంటున్నాం ఈ కొంత టైం తర్వాత వచ్చిన ఈ వెలాసిటీ వెక్టర్స్ అనేవి మ్యూచువల్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ గా ఉంటాయి. అలా కాకుండా ఈ టూ వెలాసిటీ వెక్టర్స్ మధ్య సమ్ యాంగిల్ θ ఉండాలనుకోండి. సమ్ యాంగిల్ θ ఉంటే జస్ట్ నాట్ ఎ డెరివేషన్, ఓన్లీ ఫార్ములాస్ నేర్చుకుని చాలు. ఓన్లీ ఫార్ములాస్ నేర్చుకుని చాలు కదా. సపోజ్ the time after which velocity vectors are makes an angle theta. For suppose ఇక్కడ theta ఉందనుకుందాం. అంటే velocity vectors after a time which makes an angle theta. Theta is the formula అవుతుంది. The first condition is TV is equal to under root u1 u2 by g cot theta by 2. In the first condition ఏమవుతుంది మనకి the time after which velocity vectors are makes an angle theta or makes an angle theta. అంటే రెండు velocity vectors మధ్య యాంగిల్ ఎంతమంది తీసుకున్నాం 90 degrees తీసుకున్నాం. ఇప్పుడు ఏం తీసుకున్నాం 0. అయితే under root u1 u2 by g into cot theta by 2. Cot theta by 2. Suppose ఈ ఫార్ములా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. theta 90 degrees. Cot 90 by 2. Cot 90 by 2 means cot 45. Cot 45 1. And the second one. Distance between two bodies when their velocity vectors makes an angle theta. Makes an angle theta. X is equal to u1 plus u2 to root u1 u2 by g into cot theta by 2. Cot theta by 2. And that's the third one. The time after which the displacement or the position vector makes an angle theta. Makes an angle theta. Ts is equal to 2 root u1 u2 by g into cot theta by 2. Cot theta by 2. Another formula. And fourth one, distance between two bodies when the position vectors are makes an angle theta with each other. X is equal to u1 plus u2 into 2 root u1 u2 by g into cot theta by 2. అర్థమైందా? అంటే టూ వెలాసిటీ వెక్టర్స్ అనేవి కొంత టైం తర్వాత యాంగిల్ థీటా అయినప్పుడు ఇవి ఫార్ములాస్. అదే యాంగిల్ 90 డిగ్రీస్ అయినప్పుడు ఇవి ఫార్ములాస్. దిస్ అప్లికేషన్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్.